Hi, it's Mike at Phase 1, and this is our first product review of 2020, a whole new decade of kit coming your way. Today, we're going to take a first look at the new American DJ Focus Spot 2X. X means it's new, a new product. Let's have a look. Okay, the Focus Spot 2X. What are we getting? Right, let's just run down some of the specs that's available on this unit. We've got a 100 watt cool white LED, so it's going to be bright. And it's also got a 3 watt UV LED in there, and we'll take a look at what that offers us when we stick it on our DMX desk and get this unit up and running. It also has a motorized focus and a manual zoom knob, right, which is this piece up here, so we can adjust the angle from 16 degrees to 19 degrees. It's compatible with a UC-IR and Airstream IR compatible as well, which are separate items. The colour wheel is 8 colours, plus white and split colours. What we're going to do in this video is we'll stick it on our DMX desk, take it through the lighting showroom, and we'll show you all the gobos, all the prisms and everything working. The gobo wheel has 6 rotating replaceable gobos plus spot. The gobo size is 23.8mm outer, and the inner is 19mm, and the thickness is 0.2mm. It has gobo indexing, an easy gobo replacement with hinged head cover, which I'm going to get my screwdriver out and we're going to have a look at that. It's got a gobo shake effect. The prism wheel has got a 6 facet circular prism and a 6 facet linear prism. Control, yes, it's DMX and it's on 3-pin XLR, and we've got 16 and 18 channels. It's master and slavable, and it's got 4 built-in light shows, which we'll have a look at them, and I'm guessing one of them will be forward facing, but at this point I'm still guessing. We've got stepper motors with micro stepping, and we have got a 16-bit fine pan and tilt control. The pan is 540 degrees and the tilt is 270 degrees. The unit comes in weighing at 6.5 kilos. So, coming to the front of the unit, we're going to go that from the base to the top. I would say would be roughly, give and take, about 40 centimetres, 41 centimetres. This is a rough measurement. When we put that to there, I would say we're getting that to come in at around about 35, 36. The measurement here, again, approximately, I think you will be looking at about 24 centimetres. The base unit, from left to right at the widest point, 21 centimetres. And from front to back, we are looking at 17.5 centimetres. Just quickly coming to the back of the unit, like I say, we've got DMX in and out on 3-pin XLR, and the power connector is PowerCon with a link through on PowerCon as well. Right, let's have a look under the hood. It says it's easily replaceable gobo. I'm going to guess that I reckon this is where we open the head up, and yeah, wow, that was easy. Right, coming around to the back of the unit here, let's see how easy this is. So I'm just going to take the first gobo I come to, and this, normally I would do this first and then film again when I've done it once. And yeah, that gobo came out really easily. So I think replacing the gobos will be a doddle. If you're interested in buying extra gobos for any lighting fixtures, one company that I would recommend, just type this into Google if you're one of our viewers from the UK, Projected Image in Newcastle. They will make you a gobo for anything. So that's Projected Image in Newcastle. Type that into Google and you'll find them. Absolutely brilliant company. Right, in the next part of the video, let's get this turned on. We're going to stick it onto our little simple DMX desk and we're going to run through some of the features. We're not going to set loads of these up and show you them moving around and all the rest of it. It's a moving head. We know what it does. We just want to have a look at the gobos, look at the prisms, look at the brightness of the item. We'll show it in smoke and not in smoke. Right, so all we've done is we've put the moving head on that podium and we've connected it to our DMX desk and we've pointed it to the other side of the lighting showroom. So we're going to project some stuff onto there and go through some features. Right, the first thing we want to show you and explain is what gobo indexing is. So imagine if the gobo that we're looking at right now, so that one, yeah, say that was a gobo that was a logo or a name or something you'd had made and you wanted to get that straight on the wall, what you can do is you can position it and make that a scene. So again, like, so say that said Mr. and Mrs. and you wanted it to be absolutely level on the wall and you wanted to program this up via DMX, what you'd be able to do is you'd be able to index the gobo so that gobo read absolutely level and then save that as a scene. Now obviously when we go further up the DMX channel we can move it right round, so we could have it on an angle or anywhere, right? And then eventually what will happen on this channel, this will turn into a gobo rotate and it will rotate that way, speed, and then go back the other way. So on that channel, which is channel 5 I'm using at the moment, that's your gobo rotation. And then right at the bottom of the channel we've got gobo indexing, so I can actually place that gobo exactly how I want it with some quite fine adjustment. So like I said earlier in the video as well, we've got a 6-facet prism and we've got it on circular and we've got it on linear. Now I'll just quickly let you have a look at that using the same gobo again. Just moving up the DMX channel. Now when you add a rotation to that, it obviously makes it a little bit more interesting. We're going to have a look at the other gobos and the colours in a short while. And that's just going up from a linear to a circular. We're going to show you some other gobos. Obviously this is on a rotate. Got a gobo shake. Got gobo scroll, and we can slow that down. And we've got it rotating the other way, and again we can slow that down. Let's just stop that there a second, and let's just bring one gobo in. And I'll show you the focus. So that's taking it right out of focus. Either way, and sharpening it back up again. Right, we've just moved the head slightly further up the wall to our ceiling, put it in an open spot, and we're just going to slowly scroll through the colours. So then it's going to a colour scroll, which again I can slow right down. then go the other way, and slow it right down going the other way as well. Add a rotation to that, and then add a bit of prism. So all these different effects you could build up on a DMX desk, save them as scenes. Just randomly going through some stuff now. See if we can slow that down. Again, slow that down. So I think there's plenty of features on here for you to get to grips with. I especially like the gobo indexing, so if I had a gobo and I wanted to make sure it was absolutely level to project onto a wall, that's a great idea. And usually found in more high-end pro heads as well, that feature. So it's brought it down to a different price point on this particular fixture. Okay, let's have a look with some smoke and see what the beam looks like. Right then, so in closing, that is the Focus Spot 2X, brand new product for 2020 from American DJ. 100 watt LED, really like that. I'm just going to go through a few of the little pointers that really brought to my attention. Definitely the LED, nice and bright. I like the size of the fixture for a 100 watt LED. I think this is, you know, a nice size fixture. It's not massive. I think it'd be ideal for the mobile guys moving them around, and also for venues as well, where you've got that slightly lower ceiling when you're wanting to mount things. If you've got like a huge moving head, you know, you don't want to keep them out of reach of people. So I like the size, I like the weight, I like the brightness, I like the gobo indexing. I think that's a nice feature brought into a mid-priced moving head. I also like the prism and the linear and circular prisms. I think that works really well. Easy removable gobo, that works. I mean, open with a click, open the lid, take it out, replace the gobo. It doesn't get any easier than that. On a whole, I really like it. I think it's a neat little product. I think it's at a nice price point. And if you want some more information on pricing, click the link in the description to this video. It'll take you through to our website where there'll be more info on this product. Remember, it will work master slave. It's got built-in shows. It's got 4 built-in shows, one of them being forward facing as well. So it's got all the things there if you didn't want to do the DMX thing. But when it came to the DMX controller, I think there was enough there to create some really good effects. So there you go, that is the Focus Spot 2X. It's Mike at Phase 1. Don't forget, if you like our video reviews, click the subscribe button. We review loads and loads of DJ equipment, a lot of lighting. We also review a lot of the controllers and all the other bits, and we've got lots of exciting stuff coming your way for 2020, so subscribe.